If you're not into junking things, you won't find this video interesting, okay? So don't even waste your time. I'm not going to waste your time. Just go to the next video. And don't skip through it. What is up, y'all? It is your girl, More Nigeria, back with another video. And I just got off work. And I'm coming right home and I'm pumping this video out for y'all. And don't skip through it. This video is specifically for my junk case people. Anybody that make junk stuff, this video is for you. Today, guys, I will be giving you the materials and details on what you need to make junked bags, okay? Junked bags. Yes, it's a thing. It's a thing. It's a thing. I'm telling you, it's a thing. Junked bags, okay? You don't have to just junk phone cases. Anything can be junked, okay? Do not limit yourself. That's my #1 thing. Never limit yourself. Always be thinking outside the box and finding the next thing, okay? So if you're already into the junk case business, this is something that you can add for a higher price and also get more sales, okay? It's trendy, it's fashionable, and it's something that a girl wants, okay? So we're going to start with #1. First, you need to go and find a bag. If you are looking to iron things on this bag needs to you need to make sure this bag is cloth. You hear me? Cloth.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
You hear me? Cloth. Don't go get in those glossy bag and try to iron some letters on it because it's going to burn, okay? Find you a cloth bag. If you're looking for a cute cloth bag, you can shop on Shein and Temu. They have cute, cheap, easy bags that you can DIY, okay? So step #1 is finding a cloth bag. Cloth. Cloth bag, okay? If you're not looking into ironing things onto your bag and you're just looking to add charms and cute little accessories to it, then you can go into like a casual bag that you use all the time because you're not going to be doing anything on it. You're just going to be adding charms to it, okay? So if you are doing a complete DIY junk case bag, you need a cloth bag. You need to start with a cloth bag. There are tons of options on TikTok. Shop. It's tons of options on Shein. It's tons of options on Temu. And I'm pretty sure there's other companies out here that's similar to those sites that I just listed that sell cloth bags. Find something that's fashionable and cute. My go-to is always looking up Y2K cloth bags or cloth purses, okay? Start there. Find your bag. Find one at a decent price and order it. Okay, add to #1. Even if you don't want to buy a bag, you can literally go to the thrift store, find a cute cloth bag, and try your luck with that before you order something off Shein or elsewhere, okay? That's also an option if you're not looking into like selling it or you're trying to make your own personal one. You can go look at the thrift store as well. Do not sleep on the thrift store because they have a lot of good finds. You just gotta go to the right one. Thank you. #2 is finding your patches and stickers, okay? For example, patches you can get on Shein, Temu, Amazon. And as far as patch letters, I mean like iron-on letters. You can literally get these off of Amazon. You can get 26 of them or you can double it. You can triple it. On Shein and Temu, they're a little bit cheaper, but on Amazon, they're a little bit higher. If you want it next day, use Amazon. If you can stand a couple days and wait, use Shein and Temu. Shein and Temu, you're going to get more bang for your buck. Amazon, yes, it's overnight shipping, but the price is higher and you get less of the item. You're looking for iron-on patches, letter iron-on patches. You can look for sew-on patches that you can use fabric glue and just glue it onto the fabric. You can look for puff paints that you can write your own little unique things on there. You can use vinyl if you own a Cricut. If you own a Cricut machine, you can print up and cut out what you want to write on there and then iron it onto the bag. But yeah, this part, The patches and stickers is all about you finding your creativity and finding what type of theme you're going for. Are you going for street girl style? Are you going for Y2K style? Are you going for girly style? Are you going for junk style? Like, this is where you get creative. This is where you find your kind of theme for what you're going for, okay? The patches will get you started on your theme and help you figure out what style that you're going for with your bag, okay? So number 2 is find those patches and stickers and figure out your theme, what style you're going for, and match your patches and things to that. Also, they have cute little smiley face patches. They have girly patches. They have all pink patches. They have rainbow patches. They have funny patches. They have mean patches. You just have to find what you like and start there with the patches, okay? So number 2 is patches and stickers. Find your theme and start there. Number 3 is the meat and potatoes. That's the charms and the keychains. You can go on Shein and Temu. They have tons of, I'll show you example, tons of different types of keychains that people have hanging off their bags right now. They have plushie keychains. You can use beads and safety pins. Some people write out using the beads on the safety pin. They write out little words and they safety pin it to their purse. You can glue the letters to your purse with fabric glue. And as far as charms, you can use whatever kind of charms you want. You can use designer charms, flower charms, chunky charms, planar charms, food charms, whatever kind of charms. This is the time. Step 3 is the time you find those charms that you want hanging on your bag and add the pizzazz to your bag, you know. 3 is keychains. Keychains are easy to look up. You can look for the colorful and plastic ones. You can look for the metal ones. You can look for the Y2K ones. You can look for the girly ones. You can look for the designer dupe ones because they have them everywhere. You can also look on AliExpress and DHgate and they will also give you some fire keychains for your bags, okay? So number 3 is the meat and potatoes. That's the charms and the keychains. I'm making this video quick and easy for you so you don't have to sit and dwell and listen to everything that I'm saying. As I'm going through the steps, you can be clicking out of your page and pulling the stuff up so that you already have the steps, okay? So number 3 is the keychains and the charms. That's what makes your bag your bag. That's what makes it pop. So make sure you pick stuff that matches your theme. As in step 2, when you found those patches, find charms and keychains that go with the patches that you already ironed on your bag, okay? So it doesn't just look like you just coughed and threw up your whole closet on your bag. When in reality, you took some time, you thought it out, you thought of how you want your bag, and you made it unique and creative to your own liking, okay? So number 3 is charms and keychains. Number 4 is ribbons and scarves. Easy. It sounds easy, don't it? Because it is easy. Ribbons and scarves. A lot of people get scarves from the Dollar Tree or beauty supply store and they wrap them around the handles of their purses to make it look cute. Some people just tie a bow with their ribbon or a scarf of their choice. Just be creative with this part. You can use fabrics. You can use fabric glue to cover the handles if you want a different handle that you like. I'll post some examples of bags with scarves and things like that. But y'all, go to the Dollar Tree, go to a beauty supply store and find some cute scarves that you know will match your bag. And once you have your theme and everything, you can go in, add them scarves as a last minute finishing touch and give your bag that thank you look, okay? The look that you're going for, okay? And number 5, our last and final one is hot glue, needle and thread. If you're not a needle and thread girly, go find some fabric glue. Good fabric glue. Because I went to Walmart and bought some and it didn't stick at all. Find some good fabric glue. Or if you don't plan on taking this stuff off this bag, which I hope you don't, use super glue. Use hot glue guns. Use what you have and be creative, okay? That's the last. Number 5 is just finding what's going to bond all your stuff together, okay? Add pins to it. A lot of people adding the caps to it. Be creative. Go make you a DIY junk bag on your own today. using these 5 steps. I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment if you already made you a DIY junk bag. If not, get on Pinterest, go find you some inspiration and make you one today. Everybody should have a junk bag no later than October. So go get you one. Go start one. Okay? But you guys, that is all for this video. I hope that you found this video helpful and creative and interesting, inspiring. I hope that you make you a junk bag. That is all for this video, ladies. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn that post notifications on so you know every time I post a video, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you use it either to invest in yourself or for personal fashion. But if not, thank you for watching this video. Go get on Temu, go get on Shein, go get on Amazon, go get on Alibaba, go get on AliExpress, go get on DHK. Start off by ordering that bag in TikTok shop. Order that bag, order them charms, order that glue, and start your bag today. Okay? Be on the lookout because I will be having bags that I will be selling at an affordable price, and you guys will be able to purchase. So thank you again for all your support, all your love, all your encouragement. We are on the road to 1 million views on our overall channel, on the road to YouTube partner monetization, okay? All right, y'all, I'm done yapping. Junk bags are all about personality and chaos, and there's no rules. I'm a certified yapper, but I'm done yapping today. For right now, go make you a bag. Bye.
I don't even say bye no more. I be like, mwah, no balls.